morning, everyone. We had a pretty cozy night's sleep. Got the fire going. Got some water on for coffee. So today I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna make some coffee this morning, and I got to unload. I made jerky yesterday, so I got to unload the dehydrator, and we're gonna take down the tree and the other decorations, and move on to the next season. So I'm gonna get some coffee going here. Oops. That should be plenty. Well, I gotta wait for the water to boil. Probably a couple more minutes. S'moresy. Looks like the water's finally boiling. Took a while. So I'm gonna enjoy my morning coffee. I'll probably clean up a little bit, make some room, start getting packed up, and then take down the decorations. I got a couple other little chores I want to finish up before I leave, and then head home. Let's see how this turned out. Doesn't look too bad. Nice. You'll have to watch my my other video. I started this yesterday. This is venison jerky from the buck I got during archery season this year. It looks like it turned out pretty good. It was a small roast, so I only have 2 trays, s'mores hair included. It looked like it. Yeah, a little bit of snacks for this week. I don't give, or I try not to give this to s'mores because it's so salty, but sometimes I'll give her like a little bite. These thinner pieces are probably going to be a little too crispy, but the thicker pieces look like they turned out pretty good. Yeah. All right. This dehydrator's old, probably like, I don't know, 20 years old maybe. It's really old, but it still works. All right, I'll give you a tiny piece. Hold on. Just a little crunchy piece. Give me your review. Let's see, what's your review? Do you like it? Huh? I guess so. All right, one more little teeny tiny piece. You probably don't even taste it, you just swallow it. All right, that's the jerky. Time to take down the tree. Some of these are actually my grandma's ornaments, and some of them are from the thrift store. If we didn't have any snow, I'd probably open the hatch. That way I can just plop the tree right out on the deck. So I'd imagine when I squeeze it through the door, all the needles will fall off. But we'll see. Hopefully don't make a mess. You'll never guess who painted these. Well, I think I got everything for the most part. So I'm going to see if I can get this through the door without making too much of a mess. I didn't lose too many needles when I was undecorating, but a few. Let's see. sneak this through the door. Move it. Beep, beep. Oh, not too bad. I'll save this for Christmas in July. The Christmas tree burning. I decided, since Punxsutawney Phil said 6 more weeks of winter today, I decided to leave the wreath there because that's kind of wintry. We'll leave that there. I got some room. I gotta sweep up those needles. Huh. There's still water in there? There must have been still water in there over a month. I thought it would have been gone for sure. Let me see. Wow, there's still water in there. Come on. Want a snack? Oh man, snack didn't even work. She definitely wants to play. All right, go ahead and play. I'm gonna get cleaned up a little bit. All right. I think I got everything back together for the most part. All the decorations are packed up in the truck, ready to go home. The fire's pretty much burnt down to nothing. Got all my junk back up here on the mantle. There's just 2 more things I want to do and then I'm heading out. I want to hang these up. This is a thermometer I found. So I think I'm going to hang that right there. And let me move over to the light. This is a paint by number that I transferred the pattern onto this piece of or this wood slice, and I painted it on there. So I'm also going to hang that right here. I think it's a good spot. I got to decide if I want the thermometer up top or the duck up top. So I'll decide here in a second. I also brought this up to show everyone. This is my latest paint by number that I did, which I sometimes, over the winter, during some downtime, I paint and I try to get a few new ones done. So I got this one done, and I actually have another one. It's about a quarter of the way done. So hopefully I'll finish that one up soon. Alright, got them hung. I think they look alright. I put them up a little bit higher because I wanted to leave some space here. I'm going to build like a little plaque with hooks on it just to hang keys when I come up. So that's why I got them up a little bit higher. But that's going to do it for this trip. You ready to head home, Bob? Come on. Fire's out. Oh, I forgot to do one thing. Hold on, I forgot to unplug the fridge. Alright, we're all good. Ready? Let's go. It's always nice to get up to the cabin and relax. I'm not quite sure when I'll be back up. Probably maybe, I don't know, I'll try to get up in the next few weeks again. But for now, see you later, Bruce. And thank you everyone for watching. And I hope to see you soon.